Do you like being a baby, Nathan? Are you a baby? No? You're acting like a baby. No, you're not a baby? Nathan, where's the monkey? Where's the zebra? That's right, that's a zebra. Zebra. Nathan, where's the alligator? No, the alligator's green. There's the alligator. Are you too big for the swing, Nathan? Hmm? Yeah? Nathan? Are you a baby?
He's doing like a half shake. It's like he's dropping it out.
You're silly, aren't you?
Is he rocking that thing?
Yeah.
There's a motor on it.
No, he is. This is a zebra, that's right. That's an alligator.